wanted to give the gist of what I am trying to do to the world. Please understand. It all boils down to just one or two words. Whether the temples I am building or the programs I am conducting, from morning Nitya Satsang to free webinars to NDY, NKY or Inner Awakening, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, whatever, or the future, level 5, level 6, level 7 is going to happen. All that put together, please understand, the essence is basically awaken your Kundalini Shakti. Awaken your Kundalini and raise it to the highest peak frequency. When the Kundalini moves inside the system, at different areas it experiences different frequency. Raise it to the highest frequency and celebrate the life, enjoy the life as you want with this extraordinary, overflowing, excessive, luxurious life energy. Understand? That's the word I have to use. Only when you are, please understand what I am saying now, even medically verified statement, only if you have an excessive energy, these muscles even expand in smiling. Understand? Otherwise, how people smile, you know? Now I am telling you, life should be lived with luxury of energy. I am telling you, if you think the car you drive, the chair you sit, and the house you live, that only demonstrates your luxury, that is the symbol of your luxury, you are cheated. You are just cheated. That shows only one aspect of your luxury. If you are made to believe the house you lived, car you drove, and furniture on which you sat is the luxury. See, even if you believe that is the way to show you are living in luxury to others, okay, it can be tolerated. But if you believe even personally that is the way the life should be luxurious, even for your own being, then something seriously wrong. You are cheated, exploited. If I have to use little dirty words, I don't want to use. You yourself imagine. I think by now everyone knows what I wanted to say. Somehow these dirty words are so universal, you don't need to utter them. You just put dash, 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 everyone feels it immediately. That is the power of the dirty words. You don't need to utter them. Anyhow, leave it. I tell you, it is the luxurious energy you carried in your stomach, in your heart, in your throat, in your face, in your crown. That is luxury. That is the best luxury. I tell you, when you wake up in the morning, the energy you carry in your stomach is, are you carrying a cramp, or are you carrying the gas, or are you carrying an uncomfortable acidity feeling? What are you carrying in the stomach when you wake up? And by the time you get ready for your everyday routine, you remember your everyday, what is the energy you are carrying in your heart? The moment you remember, you have to go to your office, you have to meet your family, you have to meet your team lead, you have to meet your team, you have to meet your boss, you have to do your everyday actions. What is the experience you carry when you remember your everyday routine in your heart? What's the energy you feel near your chest? That decides whether you are living luxuriously or not. The way you carry yourself, what your shoulders are feeling. Are you walking like this, almost collapsing, or are you carrying yourself? That decides